This video I'm going to explain how to install a WordPress website directly on your Mac computer or laptop. So you can work offline and build websites without anyone having to see it. I'm using application MAMP, which is called MAMP. The first step is to download this application. There's a paid version. I use the free version. It's enough for me to work with, and the pro version of course has better options, multiple websites. You can build multiple websites, but the free version is enough for me. So why do you need an offline WordPress website? It's a good option to practice or build a demo website, or just build a website which nobody can see except you in your computer. So when MAMP is downloaded, it's almost done. You just install it. Just go through the installer. I already have it on my MacBook, so blah blah blah, continue, password, and then it's installed. Well, when it's installed, it will be in your applications folder. It's always MAMP. You always get MAMP Pro, but just click on MAMP. You will get this screen. Sometimes it starts automatically. If not, just click on Start Service. And MAMP is working. If a web start page is not opening, just click on Open Web Start Page and you will get this screen. And then we can go to the next step. Create a database for our offline local WordPress website. Click on Tools, PHP My Admin, New database. Give it a name. Demo. I call it just demo. That easy. Create. The database is created. It's all empty for now. So now we created a database. Next, download WordPress. Maybe you already have it on your computer downloaded. I always get the newest version. I always install the newest version. So it's downloaded. Let's see. WordPress. So we have WordPress downloaded, but we need to place it in a folder so MAMP application can find it. So I make somewhere, wherever you want, a folder, a new folder. I call it offline websites, and I call it demo website. Right, this will be my website. If you have a web shop, just call it web shop or bicycle shop, whatever you want. And then I place the WordPress, all of it, not only this one, all of it, all the WordPress folder in your website folder. So now we have a directory. Now we need to show MAMP where to find this directory. You go in the MAMP application to Preferences, Web Server, and here you can select the root where your WordPress website is located. It's on desktop now, so you select the offline websites, demo website, and here's the WordPress. So it's this folder. Select OK, and then it's always 2 seconds. You can open web start page again. It's already here. Click on my website, and here you go. You have the WordPress installation. Let's go through it. This is, I think, an important step. Let's go. Database name. This is the name of the database which we created in phpMyAdmin. It was demo. Username always root. Password root. Database host. I'm hosting it locally. Table prefix, keep it the same. Submit. Run the installation, and then you can set up your website. Let's see if this is a web shop. I don't know. I'm selling something, building a web shop. I don't know. Username, just let's stick to admin. Password, whatever password you like. Your email. It's pretty handy to fill in your email, because if you forget your password, you can recover it by your email. If you want to discourage search engines, yeah, it's offline, so it doesn't matter, but I always click on it, I don't know why. Install WordPress, and here you go. We just created a local WordPress website. It's now on my MacBook, and we can start building. How awesome is that? When I discovered it, I built, I think, 10 websites a day, because I could build so many websites without any limitations. So it's a good thing to know. If you think this video was handy, please give me a like. Subscribe for new tips and tricks. Tips and tricks. Oh my god. Always when I discover something new about WordPress, I try to make a video about it. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.